Street vendor stories that will make you stop eat on the road. Rankin boil egg. There was a market vendor who boiled eggs and other food stuff to sell. It was revealed that the reason that his boiled eggs were the best in the market is because he was boiling his eggs in his urine. Frog seasoning. There was a street vendor in Mandeville that also sold boiled eggs. The special ingredient that he used to keep his clients coming back was dried frogs that he crushed out and sprinkled on the eggs, masking it as black pepper. Salt mackerel for sale. In Maypen Market, a lady who sold salt mackerel was using her use pad after her monthly to soak with her salt mackerel, as advised by her Obeah man. She put them in the bottom of the white salt mackerel bucket. Even when things slow, she will always sell off. Nobody else's salt mackerel wasn't selling much, but the line was always long at her stall.
Follow Jamaican true stories.
This went on for years, until a pastor man went to the market to warn sellers about using Obeah oil and doing Obeah. He went over to the lady and told her to stop doing what she doing. She cussed the pastor man and he left. The rest of the sellers were happy that the pastor revealed her wrongdoings and jeer her every day. One day, a cartman pushed over her bucket of salt mackerel because she didn't want to pay him for something. About 5 used pads were seen among the salt mackerel when the cartman turned it over in anger. It was a big disgrace. The market people didn't run the lady out of the market. She is believed to be selling in Mobay now. Beware. Haitian Patty. There was this Haitian guy who made patties in Haiti and everyone liked to buy his patties. He had a whole business. One day he converted to Christianity and confessed that he was using his ass water to make the patties all those years. Jerky. There was a jerk chicken man in Jamaica who was very popular and everybody loved him. Every day a crowd would gather in front of his jerk pen just to buy from him. One day it was discovered that he wasn't jerking chicken at all. He was selling jerk dog and lying to his customers. Haitian Lady Patty. There was a lady that used to sell patties in Haiti. She was famous for selling good patties until she gave her life to Christ and started to confess about what she had to do in order to sell. The main ingredient she used in order to sell was her own feces. When people found out, they were angry and eventually killed her. Soupy. There was a soup man that was very popular in Halfway Tree. His soup was sold out way before the night ended. Business was booming. A bad mind family member eventually revealed that the main ingredient in the soup was dog meat. The soup lady and the butcher. In Haiti, there was a popular soup lady that was getting her meat from the local butcher. At around the same time, toddlers kept disappearing from the neighborhood. It turned out that the butcher was a serial killer, and he was the one responsible for the children's disappearance and demise. It was later revealed that the soup lady knew about what he was doing but didn't say anything because he was her main source of meat. What makes this story cringe is that when everyone first found out what the butcher was doing, the soup lady was the first one who hit him in his face with a brick, pretending that she didn't know. It is alleged that she also intimidated him to keep his mouth shut.
Follow, like, and share Jamaican true stories for more.